Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, I still think that all the yen pairs do need to go up and take out these previous highs before we get a move down. So, overall, I am still bullish on the higher time frames, even though on the shorter time frames, it does kind of look like it is going down for at least for now. So going down to the weekly, I mean, we definitely don't have a fib bounce. We don't really have a lower high. We really don't have a break of structure. I think there's a good chance this move down is probably a correction to the last wave up, and I still think there's a really good likelihood that eventually it is going to go up to about the 155 area before we do get that big push down. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up, which is very clearly a trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not very nice drawn there, but you can see it's a nice five-way pattern. I do think that this move down is probably not over. It probably needs to go down more, maybe even down to like the 50 or the 61.8. But I do think at some point it is going to end the correction, and it most likely is going to keep on trending up. All the yen pairs right now do look like they are in a move to the downside, and I think at some point they are going to turn back up and continue the uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, kind of looks almost like an ABCDE on the sort of time frames, like impulsive down or impulsive down wave A, very corrective up wave B, impulsive down wave C, corrective up wave D. Kind of looks like we possibly are in a wave E, which may even stretch out to the 50% before it actually does end up continuing up. So I mean, shorter time frame traders, I probably would continue to look for sorts. If you're more of a swing trader, I would probably patiently wait for the Fibonacci bounce, a break of structure to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I don't think that this move is over. Let's go back up to the 4 hour for 1 second so I can put this on the shorter time frames. There we go. So I don't really think this move is over. Most likely this move up is going to be another correction. So if you see three waves up, if you see impulsive down, you could definitely take it to us as a short. I think it's more likely to head down at least to that 38 or 50% that I was showing on the 4 hour and daily time frame. So if you see a nice three-way pattern to the upside, a nice A, B, and C correction, nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then I would take it as a short. And eventually, I do think it is going to turn up, but probably not until it hits that 38 or possibly even the 50% Fibonacci retracement level on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.